Are you struggling to keep up with technology? In this video, I'm showing you 5 AI tools that will literally change the way you work and create. Stick around because the last one might blow your mind. Let's go. First up is ChatGPT. This AI can write anything for you, essays, emails, even code. I used it to write the script in 2 minutes. You just type your request and boom, instant content. It's completely free and saves me hours every week. Next is Midjourney, an AI art generator. Describe any image you can imagine and it creates professional artwork. I generated this thumbnail in seconds instead of paying $50 to a designer. It's affordable monthly but saves you thousands on design. This is ElevenLabs, the best AI voiceover tool. Listen to this voice. It sounds completely human, right? No more robot voices. Perfect for YouTube videos and podcasts. Descript is magic for video editing. Upload a video, it automatically transcribes it, and you can edit by simply deleting words from the transcript. No more hunting through timelines. Finally, Runway ML. This creates special effects and animations with AI. Want to remove backgrounds, upscale video quality, create stunning effects? Runway does it all. These 5 tools will 10 times your productivity. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tips. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited about. Thanks for watching.